Blessings to each and everyone, and a happy new year when it comes. Let me first give thanks and praise unto the Father, His Majesty the King, for His guidance and protection. His grace and mercy is everlasting love. And I know that without Him nothing is possible, but all things are possible with Him. So I continue to praise Him and glorify Him and call upon Him each and every blessed day of my life. For His everlasting love, for His grace upon my children, dear children, family and friends, and all loved ones. Welcome to How Can I Help Speak on this channel. And this is Murphy. And tonight, we're calling this one public transit. And this public transit thing has been on my mind for a long time. Yeah, even before social media. You know, take a couple minutes and think about this topic tonight and see if you can understand, or maybe you're thinking about the same thing that I'm going to talk about too. Now, check out the bus, school bus, and the regular bus for the public, and even the trains. Yeah. Do you ever notice that the driver wear a seat belt on the bus, on the train? Do you ever notice that, people? Viewers and subscribers, have you ever noticed that? Because I do. And I think about the accident that happens quite often, especially with school buses with children in it. Bus turnover, bus meeting an accident, hit up on something and kids fly out of seat and all these things. If they're thinking about the driver so much for him to be safe driving the bus or the train, what about the passenger? Because if you take a taxi, there's a seat belt in there, front and back. You drive in your car, there's seat belt in there, front and back. That means whosoever is in the back seat supposed to be wearing seat belt, just like whosoever is in the front seat. Now, if you really think about that little speech that I just made there about the seat belt, do you think a lot of lives would be saved? A lot of children won't be dead when the bus meet an accident? I don't know if this is going to be my final video for the year 2017, but this is how I want to leave it. I want to leave something for us to think about. And like I said, maybe quite a few of us already thought about it, but I've been thinking about it for a while. And I figure, there's no time like the present for me to really talk about this. I think about the weather. I think about how cold and icy the street is. Like I said, a seat belt. Here they talk about how people must wear seat belt and all these things, as it save your life and all these things. I think we should start a petition to get seat belts on the buses. I mean, maybe I'm stupid, or maybe I'm the only one who see it this way. But I honestly think that, yeah, it wouldn't be a bad idea for the public transit to have seat belts. Because like I said, a lot of lives would be saved. Or a lot of injury may not be as severe as they turn out to be a lot of times. So this is a conversation that I want us to have about this. I want to hear what you have to say. All the people who watch this video, think about what I said just now. The trains and the buses School buses also should have seat belts. You know how many train accidents I've heard about for this year already? In Canada and out of Canada? Quite a bit. Bus accident? Quite a bit. And people may say, well, then, you can't have seatbelt. Well, trust me, I don't even like to go on the bus if I have to stand, to be honest with you. Because I don't think I should pay my $6 for my fare to come home from Toronto all the way home and I have to stand up on a bus. There you go, you stand up and you hold on and there's an accident. What happened? I honestly think that the public transit should have seatbelt. And I'm gonna start a petition on this. Yeah, I'm gonna start a petition on this. And see what can happen. Because nothing tried, nothing done. Nothing tried, nothing done. And I honestly think it would help in a lot of situations to have seatbelts on the public transit. Like I said, maybe it's me, maybe it's only me who see it that way or thinking about it, but I'm putting it out there so you can also have something to think about and say, you know something? You are onto something there. A lot of lives would be saved. And if you notice, most of the buses that get in an accident most of them is school buses. School buses. Yeah. And how many children dying and getting bad, severe injury. So think about if there's a seatbelt on it. Think about how many cars and stuff that meet in an accident and people who have on seatbelt. The percentage of people who have seatbelt who don't have severe injury or who still have their life. Think about that. So this is just something for us to think about. And like I said, if this is the final video for me for this year, 2017, I want to leave it this way. So in the new year, we can have something to start out to talk about. So don't forget, like, share, subscribe. This is How Can I Help Speak on this channel. This is Murphy. Peace out. God bless.